What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best acrylic drinking glasses available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use. We've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the top 5 picks. Number 1. US Acrylic Water Tumblers in Clear. If you're looking for a timeless, reliable set of drinking glasses, opt for this popular 6-glass set from US Acrylic, which has garnered over 11,000 5-star ratings on Amazon. Although the brand name checks acrylic, these are actually made of SAN plastic, a common alternative to acrylic, since it's also BPA-free, shatter-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and lightweight. They're built to last, too. One customer reported that they stand up to regular spins in the microwave, and another wrote that they've remained scratch-free after 2 years of use, and dropping occasionally. Design-wise, they're simple enough to suit any aesthetic. The set pictured above features 16-ounce drinking glasses, that's double the size of a standard 8-ounce glass of water, but you can also pick these up in 12-ounce, 24-ounce, or multi-size sets. Number 2. SCANDINOVIA Unbreakable Premium Drinking Glasses. Not opposed to a pop of color in your kitchen? Consider this set from SCANDINOVIA, which includes 6 glasses in an array of gleaming jewel tones. Each glass also features a dappled grip as another gemstone-inspired design element, though that also prevents the glasses from sticking together when you stack them. These Japanese-made glasses are constructed with tritan, which makes them even more durable than acrylic or SAN plastic. 3.54 in top, x 3.15 in bottom, x 3.94 in height, 100% made in Japan, tritan, BPA-free/Prop 65 compliant, much better and more expensive than acrylic plastic. Number 3. Lawei 6-pack Unbreakable Plastic Drinking Glasses. For durable, regular use, these multi-hued glasses add a little bit of color to your daily dining. The set of 6 glasses comes in a rainbow of colors, including pink, violet, orange, and clear, with a crystal effect that gives them an effervescent appeal. The interior has slight dabbling to ensure they won't stick together when stacking and storing. They have a nice weight to them, too. Break them out for poolside hangs, picnics, camping trips, and more. Since these glasses won't break or chip when they fall, kids can use them worry-free. Seriously. Our tester said, you could throw these glasses as far as you could, and they still wouldn't shatter. Be cautious when cleaning, though. While they are great for every occasion, they will crack in the heat of a dishwasher, so they should be hand-washed carefully. Beyond that, the brand declares these virtually unbreakable, so if you're prone to breaking glasses, they're a solid solution. Each one holds 12 ounces and stands about 3.5 inches high. Our tester thought it was a bit odd that these glasses have a textured pattern on the inside, but not on the outside. If the pattern was on the outside, you would be able to better grip the product. That said, these are fairly standard plastic glasses. The lip is quite thick, but if you're not swirling whiskey, it's nothing to write home about. Number 4. Govino Flexible Shatterproof Glass. There's a lot to love about these plastic wine glasses. They have the appeal of real crystals with a brilliant reflective finish. Made from lightweight, bendable material, these glasses are completely shatterproof. They look great, are environmentally friendly, and are completely serviceable for even the biggest wine nerds. The design is particularly clever. A contoured shape and small dent in the side of each glass lets your thumb sit comfortably, making it easier to hold, a feature our tester loved. They can be reused again and again and are completely recyclable should you decide you're done with them one day. Other options include a champagne flute, beer glass, cocktail glass, or whiskey glass, all of which are shatterproof. There's even a matching decanter for serving. Number 5. Maars Skinny Acrylic Tumbler. Take your coffee, tea, water, smoothie, or other beverage of choice on the go with these insulated, acrylic canteens. Increased 18-ounce capacity and redesigned press-on lid allow you to sip directly or use the included matching straw. The highest quality crystal clear acrylic is 100% BPA free, and the sleek slim body makes it comfortable to take to go. Double wall construction provides insulation for all your hot and cold liquids, such as coffee, iced tea, water, and smoothies. They're equipped with lids and reusable straws, and their long, skinny shapes make them easy to hold. Thanks to their double-walled construction, they can help keep warm liquids warm, cold liquids cold, and slippery condensation at bay. Choose from an assortment of sleek, stylish shades, like matte blush, matte cotton pink, or the clear and rose gold combination pictured above. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.